In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change messages on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, let me send a message to someone. I'm just gonna enter hello and tap at send. Once you send a message, in 15 minutes you will be able to change it. To change a message, long press on it and then tap at edit. You will be able to change the message in the way you want. You can delete the entire text message and enter a new one, and then also you can tap at that cross icon to undo all the changes, and you can tap right here at check mark to send that message. On the Messages application, we are able to edit any message up to 5 times. However, keep in mind that anyone, including the recipient, will be able to tap right here down below where it says edited, and it will show them all the versions of that message. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.